Spinosaurus. Spinosaurus is a genus of spinosaurid dinosaur. Sharks. Sharks are a group of elasmobranch fish. Hammerhead shark. The hammerhead shark are a group of sharks that form the family Sphinidae. Walrus. Walrus is the name of two commons in northern France. Starfish. Starfish or sea stars are star-shaped echinoderms. Turtle. Turtle are an order of reptiles known as testodones. Dolphin. A dolphin is an aquatic mammal. Whale. Whales are widely distributed and diverse group of fully aquatic placental marine mammals. Stingrays. Stingrays are a group of sea rays. Penguins. Penguins are a group of aquatic flightless birds. Dolphin. A dolphin is an aquatic mammal. Frogs. A frog is any member of a diverse